Have you ever needed to be cute, quick? I'm talking about you got an unexpected call from fine shit, or you gotta go somewhere but you cannot be looking crazy? I got the perfect install for you, sis. This wig comes pre-curled, pre-customized, pre-everything. Anything that you want, you can get it. Cause you know I'm just your neighborhood wig making bestie. And I'm here to look out for all the it girls who don't play about their hair, so let's get into this video. So y'all, I am happy to announce that I am relaunching my hair business. I've been working on it literally for years, making sure I'm sourcing the best of the best hair for y'all and honing my skills. If you get a customized wig by me, it'll have bleached knots, a plucked hairline, curled. You can even have me cut your lace if you want. And I take special requests as well. I'm literally here for y'all. All you would have to do is comb out your curls and put any finishing touches that you like. This part is optional, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do to get that scalp-like look without using any makeup or a ball cap. So first I'm going in with some lace tint. You can use any lace tint that you like, but this is mine and it should be on the website if it's not already. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and dry that. You can also use makeup if you prefer. This is just what I like to do because there's no residue. Normally I would stop right here and just put the wig on, put some concealer in my part and call it a day. You could also, you know, throw on a little stocking cap if you want, but this product right here will make it so that you don't need that. Literally just pop it in the part, and if y'all go to her Instagram page, she has a bunch of demonstrations on how to use it. You can even put it on top of the lace just like a regular concealer and it'll still give scalp. The only thing is you need to warm it up a bit to make it softer and easier to use. So I had it sitting in some boiling hot water for like a minute. So I'm just gonna keep spreading that out, and I don't take it all the way to the front. I stop like an inch before the hairline. Now I'm gonna go in with my plastic rat tail comb and just blend it out a little bit, and boom, that's what it's given. Scalp. It reminds me of silk top wigs from back in the day. If you know, you know. The install is actually nothing. You just put it on and position it, secure your combs, and you really could stop right there. But of course I'm gonna show you how to maximize your install so that it looks the best that it can look. Push those braids up in there and get that wig secure. And look at this hair, it's so fluffy, so soft. Did I say fluffy? This is what it looks like from the back, given luxury. Look at that hair, y'all. I did not play. This is what it looks like, totally glueless. But those glueless wig makers lied to y'all when they say you could just put it on. If you're not just doing a middle part, if you're doing a side part, you can see the very sides of the lace, especially when somebody's looking directly at you. You can see the sides are not flush against your skin. So that's why I'm gonna use some Gorilla Snot and just use it on the very sides because I'm doing a deep side part. If I was doing a middle part, it wouldn't matter. You know how some people turn the closure all the way to the side so that they can have sideburns and it just is flapping right there for the sideburn? Yeah, you can see that in real life. So I'm gonna show you what I do instead. But first, let me show you how I'm gonna define my part with this Clairol Root Touch Up. This is my favorite product to define my part. Literally just take the brush and just a little bit is all you need. Just a little, and I'm just gonna go in on the sides of the part and define it. Going in with some heat protectant on my finger for my sideburns because I'm going to be using my own, so I'm going to curl it and just use a little bit of edge control, and I feel like that just looks natural for closure wigs, but it's totally optional. And then I'm going to show you how I curl the front piece. I am just going to curl the bottom first, just flip it up And then I'm going to just wrap my bang piece around the barrel just at the top. That's gonna give that like swoop effect. Right here where that indent is, I'm just gonna place one of those flat clips. They're so cute, but they definitely serve a purpose. And then I'm gonna go in with my Kenra hairspray to set it. And then once you remove the clip, that little swoop and indent should still be there and it should last. And just to touch up this little curl, I'm gonna take my hot and gold 1.5 inch barrel curling iron. And then I'm gonna spray my little flips with some Kenra hairspray. I love the hairspray because it still leaves your hair very soft and flexible no matter how much you use, and it just smells like the beauty salon. So nostalgic. But yeah, you guys, that's the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a couple little tips and tricks, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.